Imagine you're a black man sitting at home eating ice cream, and a police officer comes in your apartment and shoots you dead. What?
That's what happened 1 year ago in Dallas.
And she claims it was self defense.
Yep.
Self defense.
This is the Amber Geiger case, the Dallas police officer who went into Botham John's apartment in Dallas and claiming that she thought she was in her own apartment and that she was defending herself.
So Ben Crump, what time you got to be in court today?
We have to be in court at 8 o'clock with the family of Botham Jones. His entire family is here from St. Lucia, observing the state attorney's prosecution of this police officer who, Tom, like you said, is just unbelievable. She goes into the wrong apartment, allegedly, and she kills this innocent 26-year-old black boy who is just doing incredible stuff in life. He's a certified public accountant at 26, working for one of the biggest accounting firms in the world, PricewaterhouseCoopers, and she kills him, and now she's claiming self-defense.
What?
It's unbelievable, Tom. It's only in America that this could happen, where a white policewoman shoots a black man in his own apartment, minding his own business, where he has every legal right to be, and now she's trying to play the role of the victim. They are trying to say that you should feel sorry for her because this was just all a mistake and she didn't mean it. And I mean, Tom, when you really think about it, when she came in that apartment and shot in less than a few seconds, what if that was a kid playing PlayStation, a 12-year-old kid or anything like that?
Well, he is somebody's kid.
Yeah, but I'm just saying it could be any of our children.
That's
Because
right.
if she's able to get away with this, Tom and Sybil, where will black people be safe from the police shooting them in America?
There's so many inconsistencies and what seem to be just wrongful actions on her part. Ben Crump is in terms of what Amber Geiger did and what should have been done, including the fact that they said that she called 911, whereas she was still in her uniform and she could have simply gotten on her own phone device or communication device and called it in immediately without going through 911, which is curious unto itself. But yesterday, Ben,
Yes.
the Texas Ranger who testified without the jury had been sent out of the room, out of the courtroom while he testified. Can you talk about that and the judge determining whether this will go forward?
Absolutely. It was this Texas Ranger who was African American, who we think they chose by design. He came in and tried to claim that everything she did was justified, that she shouldn't ever have been charged with a crime. He disagreed with the state attorney. I mean, it was sad, Tom and Sybil, to watch this black man try to justify the killing of this young, unarmed black man in his own apartment. And it just goes to show the lengths that the police will go to try to protect officers when they unjustifiably and unnecessarily kill black and brown people.
Did
And
they know
thank
each other?
God Judge Kemp did not allow that testimony to go forward. No, they did not know each other based on the evidence. But what's so egregious, Tom, is she came through that door, and there were so many signs, as Sybil said, to say that she should have known that this wasn't her apartment. But when she came through that door and left in seconds, she made the decision, shoot first, ask questions later, which goes against all her training and all the policies. And when she came through that door, all she simply had to do was close the door, set up, in a secure position, yell commands, call for backup. She did not have to shoot first and ask questions later. And they said that's for not only for his safety, but for her safety too. Because, you are trained that if you don't know what's going on, your first instinct should not be to shoot and kill somebody.
They say that prosecution could rest today. Do you think that will happen, Ben?
It's looking like they're going to rest today. And then it's really going to be interesting because she's purported to be getting ready to take the stand in her own defense, where she's going to have to explain, Sybil, the sexting with her partner / lover,
her married
who was
lover.
apparently married to, we don't know if it's true, but she's supposed to be married to a police officer. But if it was you or I, Thomas Sybil, who deleted text messages, like her ex-lover, her ex-partner / lover, and her did, we would be charged with tampering with evidence. We would be charged with conspiracy. This self-defense evolution of her story only happened after she was coached by the police union president and everybody to try to justify the story. And we believe that they should be charged with her ex-partner lover should be charged with conspiracy, definitely should be charged with tampering with evidence, because Tom Joyner, my black self and your black self, we would have been charged if we deliberately deleted text messages that we knew was going to be part of a homicide investigation. When she takes that stand, I pray the prosecutor treat her just like they treat us in courtrooms every day when they come at us like it's open season. And so we're going to see how this play out.
All right, Ben Crump.
We not take our eyes off of this, because black people will be safe nowhere in America if
not even in our own homes.